Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu-alaikum Nazirin. All praises is due to Allah, whose worth can't be described by speakers, whose bounty can't be counted by calculators, and whose claim can't be satisfied by those who attempt to do so, whom the height of intellectual courage can't appreciate and the divings of understanding can't reach. He for whose description no limit has been laid down, no eulogy exists, no time is ordained, and no duration is fixed. Blessings are commensurate with our gratitude. If you thank Allah for His favors, Allah will increase and bless them. But if you are ungrateful, favors will disappear and immediate punishments may follow in this life before the hereafter. Blessings are of various types. They include having good health, a sound body, hearing, seeing, intellect, and organs. The greatest favor is Islam, holding fast to, caring for, and comprehend. Allah states, Inna hadaynahu sabila, imma shakiran wa imma kafura. यकीनन हमने उसे रास्ते की हिदायत दे दी है, अब वो चाहे वो शुक्रगुजार हो जाए या कुफरान नेमत करने वाला हो जाए. Indeed, we guided him to the way. Be he grateful or be he ungrateful. Okay, let me introduce myself. You might be thinking, who am I? Why I have created this channel? The only aim to create this channel is to share my thoughts and experience to us. As you all know, we are struggling and battling each and every day with this pandemic. These 2 years has been very difficult for us. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide and presents an unprecedented challenge to public health, food system, and the world of work. The economic and social disruption caused by the pandemic is devastating tens of peoples, while the number of undernourished people, currently estimated at nearly 690 million, would increase by up to 132 million by the end of the year. But wait, let us think about the reason. Many of us had lost their loved one and many of us felt devastated. But can we just remind how merciful God has been to us in this gut-wrenching situation? Due to COVID-19, this year will not be our normal celebration of Thanksgiving. What blessings can we count during this year of COVID-19 that has taken up our attention and made our lives so difficult in many ways? Thanksgiving must not just be for what good things we receive. It is also about giving thanks for the strength that we have had in dealing with the trials that come from life as we have come to know it during this pandemic. First, we give thanks for the gift of life itself, that we have been preserved and our loved ones too from experience the effects of COVID-19 or even a death from the coronavirus in our family. If we have experienced this virus or the death of a loved one, we give thanks to God for the strength we have mastered to deal with the loss of one dear to us. We give thanks that an effective vaccine is on the horizon. We give thanks that most people have abided by the restrictions imposed during the pandemic, which have protected many of us in this country. Lastly, I would love to be grateful to the merciful Almighty God as He says, बलिल्लाह फ़अबुद वकुम मिनश शाकिरीन, बल्कि खुदा ही की इबादत करो और शुक्रगुजारों में हो. So you should worship only God and it be among the grateful. So be grateful for whatever you have and let Allah decides destiny. Okay Nazreen, if you enjoyed this video and want to hear me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and to let me know in the comment section about the topics that you want to be discussed. Till then, iltamas dua, Khuda Hafiz.